Have you ever went to get something and struggled where to find it, whether it's the bottom of the drawer or behind a cabinet? That happened to me this morning, but professional organizer Katie Tengelsen is here with some simple ways to create a system that will work so that you can find your things when you need them. So thank you so much in advance.
Yeah, absolutely.
So when it comes to organizing your home, what would you say is the most important tip?
The first thing is to declutter, because if you're trying to organize clutter, it's such a waste of time.
Yeah.
So get rid of all the stuff you don't love and need. The second thing is to make sure every single thing has a place in your home. Your glasses, your returns, your mail, all the things, and then label it, which is so important so that our partners and our children can also help put everything back.
So once you do all that, that's probably the biggest part, the biggest hassle. We'll start with here. What do you do here?
Yeah, I wanted to show you guys how to file fold, and there's a million tutorials online of how to do this, but the idea is to create little rectangles of your items and line them up in the drawer so you can see them easier.
I love how you even put them in color order.
Of course,
Organized.
The rainbow makes everyone happy. I don't generally suggest putting baby shirts with, you know, kitchen linens, but if that works for you, go for it. And then we use these cool little drawer dividers to keep categories contained. And if we're working with our families, a lot of times we will even label the drawer so everyone knows where everything goes.
And everything, when you're putting it back, you put it there, keep it organized.
Exactly.
What about this? Cool box?
So a lot of us have a really deep cabinet, like in our kitchens, our bathrooms, sometimes a utility closet, and who knows what's in the back of those, right?
I don't.
And so we utilize these really long bins that act as mini little drawers. So this you might find in a kitchen, right, for all your water bottles.
This is so clever, and you have the covers here. You know exactly where to find them.
That's right. It's easy to pull out, grab what you need, push it back in. Nothing dies in the back.
When you break it down, it seems like we should just be doing this tomorrow.
I agree.
We're going to do this tomorrow.
I agree. This is a different aesthetic, but the same idea. You might find this in a bathroom or something with all your cleaning supplies. Easy to move, pull out, grab what you need, put it back.
I like that you also have these like custom jars too.
They're kind of cute,
bottles instead of like the brand
I
name.
think that sometimes little things like this can really make a difference in our home. We feel like elevated.
Yeah, that's
right.
Aesthetic.
Why not?
And then finally, this is great.
Yes, this is one of my favorites because a lot of times when we're organizing, we're trying to find vertical space that's wasted. So in a kitchen, we try to move the shelves down so we can reach easier. This is excellent for utilizing that vertical space. A lot of us have a drawer with cookie sheets and bakeware in it, and we're digging through it all, and it's really hard to get to. So this works really well. Easy to slide things out, put it back. If you have a deep cabinet above your fridge, this is what we use it for every time. All this stuff up there, take it out, probably throw it away, and then pop this guy in there for your cutting boards, your cookie sheets, all those stuff.
So I should take all this stuff out the oven and actually organize it.
Yes, you should. It makes your life way easier.
Where can we find you online? Because these tips are so helpful.
Yes, thank you. So balancedwithkt.com. We do in-home organizing services. And then at Katie Tengelsen for Instagram. Tons of tips and tricks, especially for mothers, to get their partners and kids helping at home.
Yes.
So,
and a gift to your mother, follow her, organize the house before the weekend.
Yes.
And that'll be a great gift. Thank you so much for your time.
Yes, you're welcome. Glad to be here.